Day176 and make coffee. Let's go. I finished fasting for 16 hours. Not so much. Beautiful day, but it rained in the morning. Now it's I get a brownie. My brother's wife made this, very tasty. Yeah, it's good after raining. So beautiful town. Actually, I stayed at home, but I felt something unhealthy, so that's why I got out of the house and I just started to walk around. I think it's very good for your health to get out and walk around because it's sunny outside. Let me refresh. They are preparing for Halloween. It's totally different from Japanese culture. In Japan, a lot of people come to Shibuya, the scramble crossroad, and then just wear some costumes, then just make a fuss. That's all. It's a Japanese Halloween style. It's very, very different from each other. Anyway, I love this kind of Halloween because this is original. Look at this. Look at this snow. Get from here, but there is a lawn. My shoes are gonna be wet. Oh. Unfortunately, it's closed. I think the ground is very muddy, so I shouldn't go into the forest. So let's go back home. But anyway, very beautiful park.